Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation. I know it has been a long time since I have uploaded my last video, but I am back with some content driven videos that will be coming regularly after this Tuesday. In today's video, we are going to talk about some do's and don'ts related to the upcoming festival, which is Holi. We should surely abide by these rules to enjoy our festival joyfully and freely. So let's start with the video without further ado. So the first two is that we should always use organic colors, because many colors which are available in market is really allergic to skins and it is harmful to our body also. The second do is that we should always eat homemade food. During festivals, a lot of time we consume a lot of things which are made outside and are not very kind of organic and healthy as you think. So we should always try and make some foods which are related to our culture, our festival at home only, where there are several recipes available on online. The third do is that before you go for playing Holi, you should always apply oil to your bodies, because it is very easy after playing Holi to remove colors from your bodies if oil has already been applied. Fourth do is that we should always cover wrap the objects which are very common that can be touched by our guests that come at our home during Holi. Many times the hand is not clean and it is stick with colors which can also stick to your objects like phones and remotes. After that you have to clean all that, so it is very better to just plastic wrap those objects which you oftenly touch. And the last do is that we should always maintain proper COVID-19 guidelines. This is very important, where lots of people think that COVID times have gone and hence they will not come again, but we are not sure about that. It is a very dangerous virus. We should, as a responsible citizen, abide by the COVID-19 rules during festival. Now we are done with the do's. Let's start with the don'ts. The first don't is that we must never force anybody to play Holi. It is their wish if they want to play Holi or not. Second don't is that we should not apply colors to the plants and the animals. Sometimes, due to carelessness, we often apply Holi colors, maybe by mistake or deliberately, to our pets like dogs and cats, but it can be allergic to them. The third don't is that we must not throw water balloons. Water balloons are very common during Holi, but it can physically cause any harm or injury. The fourth don't is that we should not apply Holi colors near our nose, mouth, and eyes or any open wound. It can cause really dangerous and vital infection. And the last don't is that please do not play Holi with anything else than colors. Several people play Holi with eggs and muds and many other things, but it is really harmful to our health. So we have come to an end of this video. If you will follow these do's and don'ts very carefully, so we have come to an end of this video. If you will follow these do's and don'ts carefully, your Holi will surely be happy and cheerful with your friends and family members. I wish everyone a happy Holi and a safe Holi, which is very important. And yeah, so I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye.